So as you see, I've already done the first part, creasing it, folding it like this, and creasing it. This might hurt some people's ears. It's just something that I got taught. And so you take your scissors and cut it. So you should get this square. It's okay if it's a little rough. This channel is like for kids, first time making crafts and stuff. You see, it's a little off right there. That's totally okay. Everyone does that their first time. I always do it. And this is my first time doing it. So yeah, you should get like a square like this after the folding. Now, take the corners and put it in the middle. Now, I've got a little hint for you guys for my next video. For my next video, I'm not going to be making something with paper. I'm going to be making something with beads. Put your ideas in the comments. Okay, we've got 4 little notches. Now keep them folded. And I'll turn it over. And take these corners and do the exact same thing as you just did. And I'm almost done with this. After this step, you can basically, at the end of the video, I'll tell you some stuff. This isn't the full thing because you can, of course, do whatever you want for the last steps. So it's a little wonky. I'm doing this pretty fast because, like, after 10 p.m. when I'm finishing this, it's a little wonky, but you get it. It's a fortune teller. And so you put your fingers in between these 4 slots and you point it. I'm not the best. It's not my first time though. And after this, you can color these any color you want. You can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can put your fortunes in, whatever fortunes you want. So, yeah, bye.